In many cases, you will want to statically define the vendors that the system needs to use for routing traffic to specific destinations. Let's go through some very basic examples of this kind. So first, we're setting some general parameters of a rule. So example number one, let's say I want to route traffic from a specific client going to a specific MCC through a specific vendor. So the simplest routing rule ever. So I'm selecting a customer. I'm defining the MCC list. And then I create a choice. Just one choice for now, where I need to add a product. So SMS vendor 1 with a wholesale product will be my vendor. So okay, we are done. We have the customer, we have the MCC code, and we have a vendor. Now let's add a failover route to this rule so that if SMS vendor 1 fails, we'll have a second choice to pick up the message. So I'm clicking on the Add New Choice button and also adding a vendor here. SMS vendor 2 wholesale will be my failover route. And now let's make this example even more complex. Let's introduce load balancing into choice 1. Let's say I want 2 vendors on the first position sharing the load in a certain ratio. So I'm adding another product in the same choice. So it's going to be SMS vendor 4 with the wholesale product. And I'm setting up the shares. 60% to SMS vendor 1, 40% to SMS vendor 4. So the summary of this is like this. This rule will always be providing 2 routes back to the switch. Route number 1 will be SMS vendor 1 in 60% of cases and SMS vendor 4 in 40% of cases. And route number 2 will always be SMS vendor number 2.